Imagine waking up to find your home vanishing, your food gone, and survival a daily struggle. This isn't a distant threat, it's reality for millions of animals right now. Their homes are disappearing, food is scarce, and time is running out. But what if their fight is also ours? Today, we'll explore how climate change is reshaping the world and why saving wildlife might just save us too. Let's talk about the rising temperatures first. As the planet heats up, animals are losing the homes they depend on. Take polar bears. These magnificent creatures are built for the cold, but their icy world is melting away. Snow leopards face the same fate as their cold habitats vanish. But it's not just cold-loving animals that are in danger. Birds and amphibians are being thrown into chaos as seasons shift unpredictably, throwing off food sources and migration patterns. With no place to go and no stable environment to rely on, their survival is at risk. In search of refuge, some animals try to move to higher altitudes or colder regions, but space is running out, and competition for resources becomes fierce. When ecosystems shift too quickly, survival becomes a race against time, leaving many species with nowhere to go. But climate change isn't just about temperature, it's about the land itself disappearing. And in many cases, it's not nature that's destroying these habitats. It's us. Humans are clearing forests at an alarming rate, destroying the homes of creatures like orangutans, tigers, and jaguars. With their homes gone, these animals are forced into human spaces, leading to more conflict. It's not just about animals being displaced, it's about survival for both humans and wildlife. Farmers defend their crops, and hungry animals grow desperate. What started as a struggle for survival is quickly becoming a dangerous clash between humans and wildlife. And this crisis doesn't stop on land. Our oceans are also feeling the heat. Rising sea temperatures and pollution are turning our seas more acidic, causing coral reefs, the backbone of marine ecosystems, to die off. When coral reefs die, marine animals lose their shelter and food. This disrupts the entire oceanic food chain, forcing creatures like sharks, whales, and fish to travel further and fight harder to survive. The problem that began on land with rising temperatures is now spreading to our oceans, affecting all living things in its wake. And if that wasn't enough, climate change is also making extreme weather events worse. Wildfires, hurricanes, and droughts are becoming more intense and more frequent than ever before. In Australia, wildfires have wiped out millions of animals. Entire habitats are destroyed in a matter of hours. Droughts leave rivers dry, forcing animals like zebras and elephants to suffer. And when floods arrive, they erase entire ecosystems overnight. Homes, food, and shelter are gone, leaving animals struggling to survive. But there's another problem that's easy to miss, one that's happening quietly but has devastating consequences. Nature relies on timing for survival. Animals have evolved to migrate and breed at specific times to ensure the survival of their species. But climate change is throwing that timing off balance. Birds that used to migrate based on seasonal signals are now arriving too early or too late, missing out on vital food sources. Even sea turtles are at risk. Warmer sand produces more females and fewer males, threatening the population's survival. These disruptions to natural cycles put entire species at risk. So what can we do? As habitats shrink, animals and humans are crossing paths more frequently, but it doesn't have to end in conflict. Around the world, people are finding ways to protect both wildlife and human livelihoods. Restoring forests, creating wildlife corridors, and reducing pollution are some of the ways we can help. Every action counts, whether it's cutting down on waste, supporting conservation projects, or fighting for stronger environmental protections. The future of our planet and its wildlife depends on us. The question is, will we act before it's too late? If we want to protect wildlife and our planet, action starts now. Like, subscribe and share to spread awareness. And if you're curious about nature's incredible survival strategies, don't miss Why Do Birds Migrate? The incredible journey across continents. It's a must-watch.